This eLearning, we are going to create a new appointment in our calendar scheduler, but this time we are going to start the process from the patient file. I'm going to search a patient here. I'm going to say that is going to be probably Treasure Fest. And as soon as I have the patient, which is from previous lessons with a bunch of alerts, let me ignore that for now. I also have here, just like in customer, but coming from patient this time, I have the appointments button, which also gives me the list of appointments for that patient. In this case, it's a brand new one. So I'm going to start from here and I'm going to click on plus. Now, the advantage on this case is that because I'm coming from the patient, WISE option already knows which patient I am talking about, and the owner of that patient is also suggested here on top. So next, what I have to do is just to pick a doctor, where it's going to be. The clinic is already selected for me. I am going to say here just a return post rehab. And I'm going to say that is just a quick appointment on the 29th. And I'm going to set this for 3 p.m. Save. Please select location, clinic. You see it was yellow, so I'm going to select 3 p.m. So the program is helping me to make sure that I have all the fields selected properly. And now I have the appointment. My alerts pop up. This is about the alerts, so I'm going to just ignore for now, no training. And I now have one patient for the 1029 Dr. Stewart. Again, if I use my shortcut down here, it's going to open the calendar, and if I go to the 29th, I have the amazing Farm Creek. And when I hover the mouse, you're going to see that I now have the patient name as well. Not only the customer, but the patient and all the details on my tooltip. So today, you've learned how to add a new appointment to the WISE option calendar, but coming from the patient file. Thanks for watching.